Hello everyone and welcome in another devlog of Project Mellow. If it's your first time here, I really suggest you to look at our devlog playlist. The link is in the description. So this time I have a lot of things to show you. And by the way, as from now, the devlog will be every 2 weeks. It will aid us to put more time on the project since making the devlog takes around 4 to 6 hours. But I'm sure you understand. So, in this devlog, I will introduce you to the new member of the team, and I will dedicate the rest of the time to speak about our exciting progress on the server. So, our new crew member is a character artist. His name is Lovey, and if that name doesn't ring you a bell, she was one of the 2 winners of the last art contest. On the project, she is in charge of designing, modeling, texturing, and animating the creatures. I can already show you some good progress. So, Lovey made a concept art that represents the first state of a serval creature. In the game, the creature will have 3 to 4 different evolutions, and those in the concept are the first one. She's also worked on a couple of them. There are some sneak peek. So we are really happy to have Lovey working with us on the game. It will also give me more time to work on the world and the core mechanics. Now it's time to show you the progress we made on the server. As you probably know, last devlog I was telling you that we were going with the network solution Spatial OS. But after several tests, we conclude that it was not suiting our needs. They have some great tech, that's obvious, but they don't explain enough how they work and how the code works behind the scene, and the way that we had to make our server work with those tech was not easy to maintain. So at the same time that we were implementing Spatial OS, we were looking at another network solution, and we finally tried Mirror. It was really easy to set up and they had exactly what we needed to progress quickly. And even some people mentioned it to us earlier, but we didn't realize it until testing it, that it was what we were looking for all that time. So, after implementing Mirror in the project, we wanted to focus only on the server for the next couple of weeks, to be sure that everything is working as expected. After all, since we are working on an MMO, the server should be always our top priority. So, during the last 2 weeks, we worked hard on it. Let me show you what we did. But first, you have to know that everything that you will see is server iterative. That means that even if you hack the client and change some code, you won't be able to modify the way that you will interact with the world, the creature, and your items through the network. So this is very important to know because it's kind of a non-type-cheat that is already implemented with the way that we are coding the server. So as you can see, the player movement and animation are synchronized with the server. We are also automatically spawning a tier 1 sword and a tier 1 shield on the players when they join the server. Those items are spawning on the server, and only the visual part of it are synced with the players. So you have the weapon in your hand, but it's actually on the server that the collision is. Then when you will fight with mobs, it will be the server that will collide with the mobs, not your client. So yeah, as you can see, we also synchronize the player basic attack movement, and also the blob creature that you see here are also spawned on the server and synchronized with all players. We also synchronize the attack with the blob and the item drop. So for those who don't know, our design for the item drop is that the player only see their loot on the ground, but if they take it and throw it back on the floor, all players will see it. So this is where we are for the server synchronization at the moment. We are very confident that we will be able to deliver a great MMO with Mirror. And of course, we will continue to focus on the network for the next 2 weeks. And I will probably show you the implementation of the Lovis creature in the next video. So yeah, it's about it for that devlog. And please subscribe to the channel if you're interested in the project, and if you want to follow more closely the development and share with us your ideas or just chat with us, join our Discord server. I put the link in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next devlog.